Tja, heute zum zweiten Mal gespielt, einmal im Oderbruch probiert und jetzt sind wir gespannt.
Hallo, mein Freund.
When I had a dream, when I was young, then I played guitar and I wrote songs. My guitar on my back, always on the go, played and sung some nights long. I was 17, I'd camped with friends, played guitar on the station platform, waiting for the train. And I looked around, a crowd of people stopped and listened and looked at me. Unforgettable moments, unforgettable times, it's what we have together forever in my mind. Unforgettable people, unforgettable songs, it's what we have together some nights long. For many years and many moons, a stranger in my mind, to take me to a different place, a place I could not find, to talk to me and treated me till I was nearly blind. But reality took hold of me, that's how I nearly signed. Maybe I'm a fool to this day, maybe I see clear the question that I ask myself, though I never get near. 'Cause I can't forget that stranger man, but baby now I'm here to sing my songs for me and you for more than 20 years. Unforgettable moments, unforgettable times, it's what we have together forever in my mind. Unforgettable people, unforgettable songs, it's what we have together some nights long. Unforgettable moments, unforgettable times, it's what we have together forever in my mind. Unforgettable people, unforgettable songs, it's what we have together forever. Dankeschön. Ja, der kann sich zum Ohrwurm entwickeln, wenn man ihn öfter hört. Schönen Dank an Ines Mörike. Hat sie sich toll ausgedacht, ist ganz schnell zu lernen. Ja, und dann haben wir ein Geschenk bekommen, einen Titel von Becky Hobbs direkt aus Nashville, der Heiko hier.